Hello students, how are you today? Welcome back to experiment class with me, Miss Asti. I'm happy to meet you again in this session. Hopefully you are in a good condition. In this occasion, I'm gonna guide you to do an experiment about digestive system. Do you agree that science lesson is an awesome knowledge? You must be. Science experiment will never bore you at all. You will learn a lot of things and you'll realize that science is so close to you. The title of this experiment is The Smaller, the Better. The purpose is to find out if the size of food affects how fast it is digested into our body. And these are the materials and tools you need to prepare. These are the procedure. If you have done with all procedures, please take your science workbook now and open page 22. There are some questions you need to complete. Good luck everyone! I'm gonna check you up next Friday. Bye! See you!